YouTubers! Today, we're gonna watch this expert fix this door. You think we can do it? The window gets stuck going up and down. And that right there is the motor that fixes the window. The other one doesn't go around and around. It goes in here somewhere. In there. You know what this is? That's a Torx. It's that fancy kind. Look, it's got 6 different sides. Torx. It must have been invented by Mr. Torque. And we use this special screwdriver to remove them. And I bet the motor's gonna come out now. What do you think? Are we gonna get the motor out? Look at that. That's so cool. Look at this, guys. Look inside. There's a hand inside the door. How'd that happen? That's the old one. This was made by Mr. Ford. This was made by Mr. China. This is the new bolt. It's not a torque. Small discrepancy, though.
They don't go through anything. These are the ones that came with the car that will actually be able to go.
That's the new one. The master mechanic is back to work. Putting this car back together so the window can go back up and down.
This is going
and
great.
It fits in there just like it's supposed to. Perfectly aligned so that those two little round things fit together and the screw can go through. Not. There is definitely something wrong here. It's not going back the way it's supposed to. Just a little more to the right. Yeah, right there. Perfect. This is great. Now we just have to plug it back in. Then click. Cheese, click.
Is it in there?
I think so. It's not my car. Look, everybody. The window. It's going down. Oh, it's going up. It's going down. Up. It's going down. No, up. Oh, this is so fun. These screws hold the speaker. That's where the sound comes out. Boom, 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 boom. Gotta get a handle on it. Ha ha! This makes all the sounds from outside the car stay outside. And the ones on the inside stay on the inside. Oops. The speaker's gotta come back out. It was supposed to go on last. We all make mistakes sometimes. Putting things back in the same order you took them apart is very important. But when you make a mistake, sometimes you just redo it. Sometimes it's not fixable. Now the fun part. Gotta put on the upholstery. It's plastic. I think it went through this hole here. Yeah, I think it goes through that hole.
How did you get this through?
I think I pulled it. There's the plug. I see it right there. You should push it in. It pops. Good, I heard that. Now we just have to line this up. I think it goes in this hole right here. It goes right in this hole right here. See the hole? There it goes. There, I think I see it. You see it?
No.
There it goes. I think there. I think you missed one right here. Yeah, that's the one right there. It goes in the hole. I get it. Let's go. Yay! You did it. Now what are you doing?
I have no idea.
What's that for?
I have no idea. I couldn't. What are these other screws? Where do they go?
They're extra parts.
No, they're not extra
We don't need those.
Oh,
I screwed in first, dude. There's a hole there.
Hang
No,
on.
you gotta put a screw in first.
No, you gotta get it out first.
You gotta take this
Get it
out
out.
to
It's
put
not
the
in
screw
right.
in.
You're gonna break it.
You gotta
You're
put
gonna
that
break
thing in there first. Like I said, sometimes when you break things, it's not repairable.
Replayable.
It's going to be broken forever. I'm sorry. That's the screw. We forgot it.
What the?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Sometimes you have to beat on it. Nice and tight. Wow, the last screw. It's all done. Now we can put the decorative plates in. Just push it in. One more, and we're all done.
This way or this way?
Whatever way fits. Maybe upside down, and maybe right side up. Oh, that looks so much better. Oh, not that thing again. It's broken. He did it. Not me. So, guys, what was wrong with it? Let's take a look inside. It's got this plate right here. And when you take that off, look, it's got this big hole. Apparently, when this turns around, it gets stuck in there. But the problem is, the plastic crumbled. And no longer is it getting stuck. So now, it just spins around and around and around. But on the inside, is this crazy looking gear that spins around and makes the motor go around. See, like that. And here is the motor that spins round and round. And the electricity goes on here. It makes a magnetic field. It pulls it around and around inside that magnet. And these are the brushes. They make the electricity go to the armature. Round and round. Pretty cool. It's all done. Looks great. But my recommendation is, oh, mechanic, that was scary. Bye.